obstacles, embraced new experiences, and learned valuable lessons that will shape our future. I would also like to extend a special thank you for providing us with the fuel to keep going, with their delicious snacks and protein bars.
Small class, but we have a very energetic class, and we're very happy to have all of you. Our next student speaker is Rashita Carr.
Esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, fellow graduates, and friends, it is with great honor and humility that I stand before you today. With great power comes great responsibility. I would also like to thank everyone who has contributed to our success, our families and friends who have supported us throughout our academic journey, our professors and mentors who have challenged and inspired us, and our fellow graduates who have shared this journey with us.
Sandy was also the CEO of the Pacific Group.
The reason I bring this back is this is history of ITU. I think in the about 20 years ago when I met Shupai Chen, and then this is accumulation of ITU news clippings. I think it all started. This is about transformation. This is about how to adapt when time changes. The best school in China. He established the Zhongshan University. Right now is among the top 50 in the world.
CEO of AI Ops Leader, Insight Finder, and previously he co-founded Astound, an AI-first enterprise platform. A great pleasure and honor to introduce to you Dr. Jing. Please.
Dreamed might someday be accomplished, and I hope some of them are here today to celebrate this with you. I was doing the night shift. It was just before, for Disney buffs, the Main Street Electrical Parade, arguably the most iconic parade in the history of the world. Everyone smile every day. Number 2, do something amazing every week.
Good morning, everyone, and congratulations on reaching this important milestone in your academic journey. As we gathered here today to celebrate the graduation of our students,